It's a puppy. That's my cool puppy. Oh. You need to stop chewing on sticks, girl. You need to stop chewing on sticks. The flip! You just threw up and now you're licking it? Wait a minute, guys. That's not Philip. Oh, no, it is. Mine is bubble. Oh, okay. Anyways, what the frick is up, everybody? In today's video, it's super short. It's gonna be like 10 minutes long, probably. So, by the way, guys, Anya is not with me right now. So you guys can just click off this video. Bye. Psych, you really thought that I'd let you guys go that quick? Nope. No. Never. Ever, ever, ever. So basically, in today's video, all I'm doing is walking around my backyard talking. But I need to talk about important stuff. So, basically, guys, what I'm going to talk about is my puppy. My puppy. My puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi. What's he doing? What you doing? Oh, by the way, guys, over here. Yes, I know. But Brandon, why do you always do this scary stuff? Me. Shut up. Okay? Shut up. Anyways, so there has been some paranormal. There has been paranormal activity here. I think after this video, I'm gonna film another short video about. Oh, she's pooping. I gotta walk this way. She's pooping. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna film a short video of. This is how she cleans off her butt. No. Woo! That's how she cleans off her butt. Here. No more glare for you guys. Oh no, wait, is she coming toward me? Ah! By the way, guys, comment down below if you love my puppy. I want to see a lot of yeses in the comments. She is a beautiful puppy. That jump starts her. Because if you just walk up there. Wait, what's she doing? Is sniffing something? Oh, wait, guys, she just went into there. Wait. Is there something in there? Come on, bro. You want to go run? You want to run? Let's go. Where you going? You want to go back inside already? Come on, let's go. Gotta go out there. Come on, Bro puppy. Come on. You want to go run? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, I need good vlog footage. Go. Oh! She ran right into me. Uh-oh. Oh! My foot. Also, I like you, Cudgy. We're a puppy. What the heck are you doing? Runs over to the door. Basically, guys, I'm going to record another video using my screen recorder. And then I'm going to record... Oh. That's unpleasant. It's like freaking doo-doo. But yeah, there's been some paranormal activity happening over here. Which... Tell me you guys saw that. Tell me you guys heard that. I mean, why do I keep saying saw that? Oh, by the way, guys, I'm getting new merch soon. I guess. But yeah, if you want a free set of merch, I can get you any type of merch. Like Dragon merch, Leo merch, whatever. You want Sea Dragon merch? I got you. You want Night Dragon merch? I got you. comment down below, hashtag I want dragon nerfs. And then the first person who comments that will be the first two